Okay. Hey, it's Mr. G. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, I got a project for you to do. It's a challenge. All right. We're going to make a handmade electric motor. Okay, we're going to make it out of things that you have in your house. All right. So it's going to be like little paper clips, little thing. Let me show you. Actually, I got the materials right here. All right. So I'm thinking about like AA batteries. I'm thinking the kitchen magnet. Here's another magnet, right? I'm thinking just some cardboard. This is just some garbage I found. Scotch tape, everybody has that, right? Paper clips, just the top of a takeout box, right? And then for wire, I'm thinking like a USB cable or some kind. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make this and you're gonna follow along. So you gotta make like some sort of Y that holds what's going to go across. Okay, so show you what it looks like. I mean, it's just kind of like sticking up from the battery. Let's get the wire going. Rotate this in the scissors gently. Cut all the way around. Just kind of nudge, nibble, 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 nibble. Then you're going to hold it and pull it open. See that? And it reveals all the stuff you need. Let's see what's in there. Look, I broke one of the wires. Wow, this is difficult. Oh my god. How you doing?
What's up?
I'm making something for my students.
Nice.
Hey, look. This is Jesse.
Hey. Are we live?
Yeah, no. We're not allowed to go live. Hey, there's Zach over there.
Howdy.
All right. So you guys will check them out on the Now You Know channel. We're doing the lawnmower conversion. This crazy thing right here. Look at all these. Look at the batteries and the motor. But basically, I'm making an my own motor.
Are you guys going to make this too?
Yeah, hopefully.
All right.
But I gotta tell you, I'm struggling.
Let me see.
Yeah.
All right.
This horrible loop that I made from USB cable. Okay. This hook, I have to do this side too. And then I'm going to put a magnet I stole from your refrigerator. Mm-hmm. Okay. And the magnet's got to get mounted like this. I think it goes.
Oh, I see.
I think it actually goes here.
Okay. We'll go anywhere around. Come on.
All right.
Come on. You guys beat him.
Do it.
Does he do that to you guys too?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'll help you guys out. So, Mr. G was having some trouble coming up with a coil design.
Yeah, look how bad that is.
That's pretty bad. What we're going to be using is this. This is a very fine coil. Can you even see what I'm lifting this with? Am I magic? Can you see that fine little wire there? It's like a hair.
Wow.
And what we're looking at here is a coil that's made out of those wires. So it's a lot of coils right in there. Now you might be wondering what this comes from and how we will ever acquire this technology. Mm-hmm. And I will tell you who has this technology. It comes from one of those crappy headphone sets. I guarantee you will find a crappy pair of headphones. They don't have to look like this.
Yeah, not everybody's got earbuds.
Right.
You know, back in the day.
Back in the day, they were big and they went over your ears. But every single speaker is going to have something like this. It's going to have some coil. And what else is it going to have in there? A magnet. Mm-hmm. It's a very, look at that. This is a very strong magnet, actually. All right, so first of all, rip off the foam padding here, rip off to what I'm going to do is, this is crappy plastic. I can just rip it apart. And look at this.
Sitting right there.
Sitting right here is your speaker.
So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little fragile thing and put it in here somehow with a way to make it rotate. I don't even know how to describe it, but it has to go like this.
So,
do you think that'll work? Oh, you know what? We didn't decode it yet. So that's okay. So what we do is we just scrape one side.
So now what we got to do is, so these wires are coated because they're not touching each other. Even though it looks like they're almost a solid piece of copper.
Yeah, there's like a coating on there. So they're actually sealed from the outside, like almost like plastic.
It is plastic, actually. I think it's enamel.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Can you get it to move? Let me make sure that these are touching. If it at least... Oh! Ooh,
Was that me? Hang on.
No, it's trying to pull it, right? Wait.
I don't think it's doing anything. I don't think it's connected.
No. What are you doing?
How's this stuff made?
Do it. Oh!
You want a big fat one? Kids, look what you can do.
Oh!
Is that heavy enough? Some kind of rip. Yeah, come on, rip it!
Yeah!
Is that a transformer?
It's gotta have a transformer.
Right here.
Yeah, that's it. That's a coil.
Let me see, let me see.
It's gotta have a coil. Whoa.
Is that a coil? Right here.
Yeah. Now, just so you guys know, none of this is plugged into the wall.
Don't do it if it's plugged into the wall.
Yeah. Okay. Jesse's working on a motor right there. So the goal is...
And don't take your sister's headphones.
Take them.
For science.
Oh, look at that.
This is awesome.
Nice.
I've always wanted an excuse to take this stuff apart.
Nice. All right. So, I mean, yeah, just have fun, basically.
Right. This is a horrible time. You should at least be having fun.
Just take something apart. Take something electronic apart. And then if you can make a motor, bing.
Bing. Oh, coil. I think this is a coil, Mr. G. Look at this. I feel like Tesla. Oh.
Oh, cool. You got it.
I think I do.
Dude, oh, he's got a coil.
All right, let's hook it up with the battery. Come
Dude, hook it up to the battery.
on.
Stole the coil from some electronics. Look at all this broken crap right here, okay? We coiled it up, and I bent up some, paper clips. Now, you gotta sandpaper to get rid of the coating and put it across. Now, we're using a power supply, which is cheating, but we'll do with the battery in a minute. Okay, I got this little magnet, and notice that, look, it's already starting to happen. Wait, I just got to find the right position. So let's just see what happens with this one. Ready? Oh my God. Got to get it started. It's working! It's working! It was working. Okay, so this is not easy. So I tried to figure out a way to get this to even move at all. So we use a 9-volt. So I don't mind using batteries, but you can't go up to like no car batteries, no plug into the wall, just all batteries. So if you got a 9-volt, let's try it out. All right, I got my magnet right here. I'm gonna just touch here. There it goes. Okay, just let it settle for a second. It's balanced well, so I'm just gonna stop it. Okay, it's not moving. You ready? I'm touching. And so it's not easy, but to get it to move, yeah, wow, it's really dying already. All right, so that's all I'm asking for is just get it to move a little bit and not, it doesn't have to spin around. All right, so just to show you an example that it does work, I'm going to show you I have a power supply. This is safe because I can limit it to 3 volts, okay? I don't expect you to have this, but I'm just showing. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah. There we go. And the faster you go, the faster it'll spin. So it does work. There it goes. Let me see if I can do this now with my 9-volt. Ready? And then we'll go to a different. Hold on, stop it from moving. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, I mean, it kind of works, Okay, all right, so I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, I'll plug into the wall. Don't you dare! Don't even think about it, all right? Because that's a totally different thing. It's like you're rubbing 2 sticks together to make a fire, and that's a blowtorch. Don't even, it's not the same. Trust me, I've been there, okay? We're almost there. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. All right, just get it to move. Okay. All right, so that's the idea. So you just need a really good magnet, and then you need you just need 3 volts or maybe 6 volts or 9 volts, and then you need to just show movement, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, it works with 3 volts. You just need a bigger magnet. Where are you going to get that? Okay, I'm out of ideas. It's up to you. What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do?
All right, so copper wire. Then the next step was to balance it really well. Then you get long enough, right? Oops, falling off. Right? Because see this balance job really well done, in my opinion. And then you get aluminum foil as your brush.
Wow.
So it just carries
Good
around. Now the important
job.
thing is that the magnet has to be conductive. So on this one, I actually had to take this magnet, which I got out of a pair of headphones. I had to clean it up with some sandpaper. You can use, like, if you have a sister or a mother, the little nail things. That's sandpaper.
Nail file.
Little nail file. So I cleaned that up. Now, not all magnets are going to be conductive like this one. Like if it looks like it's made out of plastic, it kind of is, and it's not going to be conductive. So you need some kind of metal. So this is actually just a little metal casing around one of these magnets.
Nice. Okay. And you just tape them together, positive, negative.
Which is in what?
Series. Yeah. So this is the assignment. Okay, make a motion thing out of copper. Okay, you got to use 3 volts. You could use 6 volts. You could use 9 volts. Please don't go to 12. And please do not, whatever you do not plug it into a wall. You're gonna die. Okay, it's worse than COVID. Okay. It's instant. It's like instant COVID, all right? Okay, I think you guys got the idea. We don't do that at school either, okay? Nobody plugs into the wall there. All right, so that's your challenge. Just show us how you're going. Ask questions. Share it to the group. I'm going to put it on Google Classroom, and that's your assignment for the week. Let's just see if you can make a motor, and let's see how it goes. Okay, all right, thanks, guys. See you later.